So everything that comes with the booth, depending on the size you get, is going to determine how many blowers. All the blowers are going to be this style with a snout. You want to make sure they pull approximately 10 amps a piece, a little bit less. You want to make sure you have them on separate outlets. You're going to turn around and set it up. It's going to have a 25-foot cord. Then they're going to come with some tie-down bags. You can turn around and fill this up with sand gravel, pea gravel. You can get pea gravel, keep it in the bag, put it in here. This is to secure the booth down if you're using it outdoors or any sort of windy situation. You're going to take the booth, simply unbuckle it. Just drop the bag down. And you'll see another tie down in here. It's going to have just a slip knot buckle. So I'm going to roll the booth to find the slip knot. Pull the strap and the bag out of the way. Square the booth up and unroll it. Now I've got it unrolled. I'm going to open up this flap here. I'm going to grab it by the entire floor and fold it out here. I've got this rear flap open from last time when I deflated it. I'm going to go ahead and seal it up, make sure it's good and tight. And pull the corners out. Once again, I'm pulling it by the gray floor, and I'm not pulling it by a D-ring and putting all that stress on one portion of the booth. Go ahead and seal this flap back up. I'll take the snout, I'll stretch it out, make sure there's no kinks in it, make sure it's not twisted up. Take the strap and loop it around. Make sure it's good and tight on the blower. I don't want any air to escape here. Any air escaping here is going to be a loss of pressure and the booth won't perform as well. I'll repeat the same step over here. Make sure snout is straight, not kinked, not twisted. I'm going to go ahead and flip the switch on, make sure it's clear of all obstacles. And that's it.